What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to change text colors into WordPress sites. In the latest video we did learn how to align text content using WordPress, and in this video we're gonna learn how to keep formatting and styling up the text content using WordPress. We're gonna start by loading the new WordPress Gutenberg editor in a blog post. Let me just change this post title. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for the video tutorial where I do explain how to align texts using WordPress. But I'm gonna align to the left so it can look like the rest of the article. And as you can see, first of all, you need to make sure that you click on the toolbar toggle. After that, we're gonna click this. You're gonna select the text that you want to change the color. Can be a single word or entire paragraph. And we're gonna click this in this button called text color. You can pick some preset color or use the custom option, and we are good to go. Let me just update the article so we can see it in the front end. And our text now is red. You can select again and pick any other color that you want. In addition, in the case that you want to see the codes on this page, you can go to the Edit as HTML by clicking in the top right 3 dots icon. So you can see the short code, the codes that WordPress applies into the content, but you do not need to work on it. You just need to click on the button. This just can be useful, as you may find in the end of the video. Now I'm gonna disable the new WordPress editor, the Gutenberg, and load the classic editor, because I know that a lot of people like the old and classic WordPress editor. Now let's go back to the post, and you're gonna find that the way to change the text color, it's pretty much the same. You need to make sure that you click on the toolbar so you can see the entire WordPress native editor options. Select the text and change the color. Of course, you can click on custom and pick or apply any other color that you want. You can use the RGB or the EXA color code. But now let me show you how to change the color of a text widget. Let me show you a widget example. Here we have in our first footer a text widget. Let me show you in the front end. We have the logo image and the text. The text is white because we set the footer to be dark and it using a pre-made preset. But in the case that you want to customize the text, and here you will not see the button to change text color, it's pretty simple. You just go to a post, you change the text color that you want on your footer. You can go to the text so you can see the codes. You're gonna select all, copy, including the style and color code. You're gonna copy that from the text tab. We're gonna go back to Appearance, Widgets, find our widget, and once again on the text tab we're gonna post the code, and our text is with the color style. Save change, and we're good to go. Let me go back to the original text and explain how to do the same process using the new WordPress editor, the Gutenberg. We're just gonna need to click in the 3 dots icon next to the text so we can view, edit with HTML. Change text color click on the three dots, edit as HTML, copy and post. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!